So here we have an event for varsity softball that was postponed due to weather. So I just wanted to show really quickly how to indicate that, so you are not getting any one reaching out, parents, community members, about a missing score. Not understanding that this game was postponed to potentially be rescheduled. So here, Eastridge was the home school, so they would be the one to update. You would go to that game, which was on the 29th, go to edit, and you would click reschedule cancel. And this will bring up a menu option here for you. And make sure you go under the level of varsity because it's going to show you the other levels for that same activity season. And you're just going to go over here and say postpone or show current as. You could add media comments, and so you could say game postponed after 3 innings. Click store, and then you could just click save and exit and click OK. So now this event will not show on the calendar. It will show as postponed. It's not canceled. I will go ahead and send that notification so everyone's aware that I just did that. And then here, this might take 5 minutes or so to update on the schedule, but if I will try to see here in a second if it shows up. And as you can see, make sure I go to the right month. It's still there, but this will actually disappear now that that game is postponed. This takes up to 5 minutes to update. And that's how you deal with postponements or cancellations. You change that game status field. There's different options there. And then when you have to go and reschedule it, you would just go into that reschedule cancel under team events. As you can see, it shows as postponed on his admin side. And then he would just go in here back to reschedule cancel. And then once that loads, you would update the date here, any of the times, and then you would change the status of what you were changing. Time, location change, date and time change, and then you would click save and exit. Make sure you're on the right level once again. And then that would put that game, and then that game for this postponement would continue based upon where it left off. But I just wanted to point that out to everyone here because with varsity baseball and softball, we have a lot of changes, a lot of weather comes in, causes postponements. Sometimes you're up against the light at the end of a night, and if you don't have lights at your baseball stadium, can lead to some postponements. So this is a quick way to act so that way you do not get hassled about score entry not showing up on the website and therefore indicating that in the standings. And as you can see, a few minutes have passed now, and that game is no longer showing up on the 29th as a missing score. And so this is a good way to quickly update your schedule and make sure that it's accurate to everyone on our website. Thank you.